put in a shower. Just go like that. Hey, shower. The shower, baby. Yes. Hey, start fun. Come na. Yes. It's a shower time. It's a shower time. Good morning, and today's vlog, let's do garden tour. I will show you my mini garden in my balcony, and these plants I planted this 3 months back. And of course today's my task is to give you a garden tour, of course, and one is I'm gonna give a bath my cockatiel bird. So my cockatiel bird is here, so I'm gonna give him a bath. He's a boy, and because every 2 days I always give him a bath every 2 days. So okay, so first let's just go to my garden. So let me show you my garden. Anyway, today Isabella is in school, but I have to pick her up around. I have to leave from home 12 o'clock because I have to go by bus and metro. His school is quite far actually from here, from my house. So now we will do a garden tour, and before that also I'll show you, we have now soon we're gonna have a park for the kids. And because normally in this building we don't have a park here in this building, and most of the buildings here doesn't have a park, so now they make one common park for everybody to use just opposite to my building, so it's just very nearby. So let me show you. So as you can see, guys, I will zoom in so you could able to see. Okay, this one up to there, and this one, it's gonna be a park. They're still working on it. Maybe it will be open in 3 to 4 months, I guess. And this is the school, international school. So it's just like 2 minutes walk from my place. It's just very nearby. Anyway, I'll show you my garden. So let me show you. Actually, I have planted okra. So I have here, this is my okra, and this is my lemongrass. I have this for so long now, maybe it's over a year. I have this lemongrass. I just harvested this 2 days back. Then I put in the freezer. And this one is my okra, ladyfinger. So actually it starts to come out here. As you can see, it starts to come out. So that's my okra. And then another one more here, and this one is my tomato, and this another more okra. Actually start coming out actually. So as you can see, I planted this September. Now it's September, October, November. It's just like about 3 months. So it's another more here also. It's an okra. So, and one, yes, and this is last week I planted a new one, and this is the same, as you can see. Another one, it's there, and one more here. And then I have these small pots. Actually this is my yogurt pot, so I just recycle this. I don't want to throw, so instead I am planting my okra here. As you can see, there's a small one. And this one is my green chili. This is my green chili. And then a new sprout is coming out from my okra. See, a new sprout is coming out. And another okra here, and it has also something there. And this is also okra, and this is a small sprout of okra. And then here also, I planted this 2 days back, so maybe another 2 days, then the sprouts will start to come out. So what I do, this is just the water bottle. I just cut into half. So this is I'm using for my plants. And then half of this, what I do is I hang. Half of that is I hang. So it's becoming like this. So I just hang half of that. Just being creative and trying to, use what I could use. So I just recycled these things. So because normally for yogurt also I always eat yogurt because I always have breakfast smoothie. Then instead of using milk, I'm using yogurt. So I always have some yogurt. And this one is Isabella's cotton candy. It's from the cotton candy. And this one is from my brown rice. And this one is from the shop. I have this long time back. So that's it. So this is just my entire setup for my mini garden. So that is, guys. So this is my garden, my setup. I always do the setup on winter. So I always have to put one chair here and one chair there. And then when we have a breakfast here sometimes, then we can just have we will bring the folding table here in the balcony, and we'll have some breakfast. So this is it. This is how it looks like. Sorry, it's just so sunny. Yeah. Now this is my garden. As you can see, my lemongrass. This is how it looks like. Those are the water bottle. I always love to sit here having breakfast every day, having my smoothie in the morning. Then I always love to sit here. But this is just only during winter. Because now in Dubai it's winter, so I love sitting here in the balcony. So that's it. So now I'm gonna give my cockatiel bird a bath. Okay guys, let's just I need to switch on the light here so I could give my bird a bath. Actually, I'll give her a bath actually. Come! Actually, his name is Mikey. Yes, Mikey. Actually, the last bird that we had, I also done a vlog for that. That is, we've lost it. So now my husband purchased a new one, and this is the baby one. So he not able to fly high. It's just in a low. He could fly, but in a low, low, not high. So anyway, so sometimes, this bird is like a flamingo. He's hiding his leg on his chest. So let me show you. As you can see, you can only see one leg. You can only see one leg because he's hiding the other leg. Now he's hiding it again. As you can see, such an adorable bird I have. So cute. Come. Come, good boy. Yes. Who's this? Huh? Mwah. I'm gonna give him a bath. Oh, you're stretching. You're stretching, my love. It's time for a bath. Hi. He knows that it's a bath time. He's trying to escape. No escape. See. Ouch. I'll put you down. Okay? Just wait. Come na here. Come na. it's a bath time, so just trying to escape. Hello. So by the way, I'm not using any soap on him because otherwise all the natural oil from his feather will, you know, go, and then the hair will start to come off then. Yeah, see? Your hair will fall off if you put the shampoo, right? Yeah, see? She's listening. Actually, this is a female male bird. It's just like in a group of the parrot. He is in a category in a parrot bird. So you can able to teach this bird to talk. But right now it's just like a baby, so we're just trying to train him actually. Okay, just put in a shower. Just go like that. Hey, shower. No shower, baby. Yes. Hey, that's fun. Come na. Yes, it's a shower time. It's a shower time. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Hey, slowly. Hi. Oh, good boy. Hmm? Wait, you will fall. Come na. Okay. Happy or not happy? Have to be fresh and clean, yeah? Enough. Look at your feather. Other one. Nice, na? Nice. Okay, done, 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 done. Done, done. Done na, baby. Done na. See? I give her a shower. Done na. Done. That's it. Oopsie. Hey. Hello. Say hi. So now he's all done. So I put her back in the cage, and then after 5 minutes, I'm gonna blow dry his hair because it's gonna be cold actually. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's go. Whoop. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoop. Whoop. She's wet. He is wet. It's no biting. No biting. Whoopsie. Okay. Come na. Good boys. Hi. Hi, slowly. Have to blow dry his feather, his hair, because babies actually takes time to dry their hair. So now I'm gonna blow dry him. Let's blow dry. Oopsie. Hey, where are you going? I know you're cold. Come on. Come on. Stay there. Good boy. That's my boy. See, hello, hello. I'm all fresh and clean. I'll put her back to the cage, guys. So, Upsy. Upsy. She's done. He's done. Okay. He jump. He jump. Okay, go inside. Good boy. That's my good boy. Good boy. Okay, guys. So I've done my work. I'm just waiting for the time. By 12 o'clock, I have to leave from home. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time I have a new upload. Until then, bye!